Maya has been cleaning out her mother's apartment and has come across these old letters. You can see here how beautiful the writing is. Neti Ilka Kitila. Apparently the young girls were given the responsibility of writing to soldiers in the front line during the war. This one is from the 30th of the 4th, 1944. And the letters are rather small in size. And this is one letter which she received from a soldier at the front. And just the writing on the front there and how it's been done, old sort of German style. It's quite beautiful. People don't have skills like that anymore. But what is perhaps they only had envelopes that were this size, small envelopes. And when you look at the letter, it's like this square, so it would fit into it. And you look this side, how it has been folded. Now, it's a real puzzle to me how that man worked out this, all those special folds so that he would get a square that would fit into that small envelope. If I was asked to do that, would have a clue how to do it. But there it goes, just beautifully into a square which fits in the envelope. These young soldiers, the girls, wrote to them at the front to encourage them. And they're very innocent letters, quite beautifully written. I thought that was very interesting, how this has been folded. Special, very special.